We were in stateroom 9270, a port-facing midship cabin with an extended balcony. We'd hoped the placement of the bed and sofa were reversed. There's 3 US outlets and a European outlet at the desk, and a USB outlet by each side of the bed. We found the bed to be comfortable, and there was plenty of storage space. There was a small safe in the bedside closet. The love seat by the balcony was comfortable, and you could access the balcony through a sliding door. The extended balcony was a great surprise. We'd wind up spending a lot of time out there as the ship sailed slowly through Alaska's fjords. Our cabin had the usual hairdryer, mini fridge, and thermostat. The bathroom was small but functional. The bowed glass door made the shower a little larger. The shower was equipped with shampoo and body wash. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Watch our NCL Bliss series in Alaska, available on our channel now.